Yokoso peeps, it's Oz. Do you want to see the cutest thing in the world? No, I'm not talking about me. Check this out. Wasn't that adorable? That little ball of fur is a rescue kitten looking for a home. And that video is from a 24/7 kitten cam on the new channel Pet Collective Cares. The Pet Collective Cares channel is all about doing good things for pets. So if you're an animal lover, definitely check it out and subscribe. Also, if you know any other pet lovers or anyone who's looking to adopt, definitely recommend this channel. The link is somewhere over here. And speaking of animals, I noticed that animals in Japan and North America speak differently.
当たり前だろ?
Yeah, but seriously, they actually sound different. Here are some examples.
Meow, meow, nya, 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 nya.
Woof, 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 woof. Wan, 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 wan. Oink, 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 oink. Boo, 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 boo. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Moo, moo. Moo, 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 moo. Ooh, 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 ah, 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 ah. Ooh, 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 ah, ah, ah. Kya, 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 kya. Roar, roar. Gow, gow.
Squeak, 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 choo, 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 choo.
So how about your country? What do animals sound like there? Leave it in the comment section below. Also, let me know what's your favorite animal. I like monkeys and dogs. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like this video. Feel free to leave any comments you want. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Take care. Peace.